Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're shedding light on the best peel and stick sconce available in the market, the DIRYZON EUL mid-century modern wall light. Just take a look at these beauties. With their minimalist mid-century design and opal globe glass shades, they're not just lights, they're statements of style and elegance. Let's dive into what makes these sconces stand out. Crafted with handmade blown opal globe glass shades and finished in a sleek brass, they exude a modern yet timeless charm. Plus, they come in a set of 2, perfect for symmetrical placement in your bedroom, bathroom, living room, hallway, or even cafes. Worried about fit? Don't be. These sconces measure in at a height of 11.81 inches with a globe shade diameter of 5.9 inches. And with a distance of 8.26 inches from the wall, they provide just the right amount of space-saving illumination. Now, let's talk installation. These sconces are hardwired for a seamless look, but fear not DIY enthusiasts. The installation process is straightforward. However, we always recommend seeking the assistance of a licensed electrician for safety. When it comes to bulbs, these sconces are flexible. They're compatible with 2x40W Max E26 bulbs, allowing you to customize your lighting experience. Plus, with their ETL listing, you can rest assured they meet high safety standards. So there you have it, folks, the DIRYZON EUL mid-century modern wall light, the best peel and stick sconce on the market. Elevate your space with style and functionality. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, your source for honest product reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Until next time, happy decorating!